Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video we got this news article that talks about NiceHash launches first solo mining hash power exchange service to help struggling crypto miners. And I think this is a solid move for NiceHash. They've been making a lot of great moves in the past few months here with adding different algorithms, CPU algorithms, and now adding an exchange service so that you yourself can solo mine without actually running your own equipment. And with the hydro costs and things as of late, this is a good ideal opportunity for people that still have the money and want to have some kind of crypto mining thing going on, but don't maybe want to spend it in the hydro sense, because hydro consumption is a big deal when it comes to crypto mining. But this is going to be a great thing because it's going to allow people to have the opportunity to solo mine and get the full reward of the block if they are able to solve it, of course. But this will be going in depth kind of with it. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long of a video or anything here. I'm just going to go over this article quickly and then show you these different packages that they do offer. And there's going to be different percentages when it comes to your probability of finding it, of the block and things of the sort. So a lot of different factors take into account. But it's going to let you get started for a cheap price, or you can go for a high-end package and go for more money and make, a better percentage or better probability of getting the block, of course. But we'll be going through all of that. So let's just get right started with this article here. So cryptocurrency mining platform NiceHash has launched the first solo crypto mining hash power exchange product, where solo miners can rent other miners' computer power to mine proof of work cryptocurrencies in attempts to boost falling mining profitability as crypto winter and rising energy costs weigh down the industry. NiceHash's new Catch the Block is the first service available, so that's the service that's going to be available is Catch the Block, that will allow miners to purchase solo mining packages where they can rent and use other crypto miners' computing power, Hashpower, in quotations, to mine their own proof of work cryptocurrencies. So it's going to allow you to, spend some money instead of on hydro and running your actual units. You're going to be able to buy these big rigs that are already set up. So there's people on NiceHash that have big facilities and a ton of graphics cards set up that are mining. And this is going to allow you to go ahead and buy a part of those units so you can go ahead and solo mine yourself. So as a completely new form of solo mining, NiceHash's new service is based on package type concept, where solo miners can rent others miners' hash power for a set period of time by buying tickets to attempt to mine coins and validate a block. If they do, they receive the block reward, i.e., for example, 6.25 Bitcoin equals $120,000. So if you use the Bitcoin packages, you're able to potentially receive a block reward of that much money depending how much you put in. Now, I'm not sure exactly which cryptocurrencies they have this package out for. I know it's ZCash and Bitcoin, I think it is, but I'm not sure if there's any other smaller currencies that are available right now. But we'll be going over that in the NiceHash part of it here. But NiceHash's new service is a two-pronged approach to attempt to raise the profitability of mining across the industry. Given plummeting crypto mining profitability levels, solo miners will be able to use other miners' rigs to mine coins. No use and cost of their own computer power. So there's going to be no use cost and no cost of their own power. Instead, you're just purchasing actual already on the network mining rigs, and the miners make a certain cut of the renting fee. So the reward, the block goes to you, but then they get their own renter's fee. So they're making money, you're making money, everyone's making money. And experienced miners with large rigs will receive payment via the purchase tickets to subsidize their energy costs and earn more than they would have mining on their own. So it's staying above, it's going to try to break even with these big miners. So instead of losing money with your hydro and such, these tickets are going to cost probably a little bit more money depending on how much power you're going to be putting in. And it's going to allow the people that are supplying these rigs to make more than they would mining on their own. And it's going to allow people to have a chance to put some money forward and solo mine their own block. So it's a good concept in my opinion, and almost everyone wins in this with this type of format in my opinion. So the reason they brought this out, of course, is because the ETH merge and plummeting coin prices across the crypto market, also known as crypto winter, has seen the profitability of everyday GPU mining completely collapse. Doesn't mean you have to give up mining, it's just making it unprofitable. But I know a lot of people are still doing mining, myself, that are just doing it for the technology purpose to support the blockchain because they believe in cryptocurrency as a whole. Just because something goes down doesn't mean you just give up with it. It's kind of like the stock market. When stocks drop, people buy, buy, buy. And instead of selling it out and being worried, you just take advantage of this in a sense, even though it is costing you a little bit of money. But this is also a good opportunity for people if they choose not to run their own equipment, or if they are just starting out in mining, they can go ahead and use someone else's instead of buying their own graphics cards, using their own power. So obviously that's the reason it did start up, because we all know the crypto market's down in the dumps, and the ETH merge has took away Ethereum, turned their back on the miners. So that's really took away a lot of the profitability when it comes to mining and the whole ripple effect of everything. But I feel like eventually soon things are going to level out with other coins. We might see some profitable days in the coming time, but right now we just have to deal with it. Crypto winter has been a thing in the past years as well, so it's nothing new to the crypto market. It's just a lot more people are known with crypto now, so it seems like it's a bigger deal than it really is. But it's no different than the stocks dropping and people losing money in the stock market and things of the sort. That's what I compare it to. So there's always going to be a brighter day down the road. So how this works, so this whole solo mining catch the block program, a solo miner will purchase a solo mining package, a ticket is what NiceHash calls it, and then wait to see via renting the other miner's hash power if they have successfully mined a block of cryptocurrency. If they do, they will get a block reward. 3 different types of packages will be available, that is bronze, silver, and gold. Obviously bronze being the lower end, silver being that middle medium package, and gold's going to be your top tier, probably Bitcoin or something of the sort, which will cost a lot more money. Each of these packages have 3 sizes or price levels, if you will, that solo miners can select, and the duration and probability of each are slightly different, ranging from 1 hour to 4 hours. So depending on how much money you want to put down, it's going to determine how long you can let the miners run for and your probability, so the chance of you actually finding a block. Solo miners will be able to click on each package and see what coin will be mined, as well as the price of the package, probability, so odds, the odds of it happening, and the estimated reward. So you'll be able to see and break down everything. I'll be showing you a quick picture of like the bronze package to give you an idea of what this is like. As it stands, NiceHash has become the only crypto mining provider globally to provide this process of solo mining. They hope to support everyday crypto miners and prevent them from deciding to leave the mining industry entirely due to lowering profitability margins. So like I was just saying, it's just to do with the profitability. A lot of people are going to back down, but when others are panicking, it's time to be greedy in a sense. It's just like, that's what I say with the stock market. When people are fearful and stuff like that, that's when it's time to be greedy. And when people become greedy, that's when it's time to become fearful. Because people always jump into things when things are skyrocketing and taking off, and when things are pumping. And for me, that's not the good time to jump in, because everything falls back down at some point, and then things are going to bounce right back up again. So it's always good to get in at the low times, in my opinion, and then wait for these high outbreaks, and then that's when you do decide to sell. Or if you want to keep on holding and believe in like the technology for years down the road, or if you just want to mine because you believe in the technology and want to support the blockchain. But it's good to see that NiceHash is bringing this as like, you know, new miners and people just want to solo mine but don't have the equipment or power. They're now able to actually solo mine in their own sense. And who knows, you could be lucky and you could be cashing out big by getting one of these blocks solved and getting the full reward. So as you see, here's the article that NiceHash posted on their blog. This was posted back on the September 19th of 2022. And they were talking about introducing Catch the Block, the new solo mining concept, and how do you try this, what is solo mining, and make sure you're first in line, because the first 100 block rewards will also win a NiceHash t-shirt. As soon as you claim these rewards, we will be sending you out one of our branded t-shirts as a celebration. Make sure that you're following closely to social media and the community Discord to know when it first launches, but I believe this just started launching yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on that, but I've just been seeing the articles in the news about this today, and some of the articles were posted yesterday and on October 6th to be exact. I don't mean like yesterday when this video was posted, but today's October 7th. So on October 6th is when some of these packages started coming out, like the bronze package and such. But yeah, if you want to take a look at the NiceHash solo mining catch the block article here, you can read over it here, and this is going to pretty much summarize what I just went over in this article here. This one was just a little more in depth, so I decided to go over this one, where this one just kind of summarizes it and gives you a simple breakdown. And then if you go over here, this is going to be your bronze package now available on easy mining. So that's like what they're using is the easy mining. If you thought that they're like one-click miner was simple to use, this is even easier to use, they say. But as you scroll down here, as you look at this image, they have all the different levels of the bronze package, and this one's mining ZCash. So as you see, the package price, it looks like it's £2.03 or 0.0001 BTC, and your potential block reward is £141.45. Obviously, it varies depending on your currency. I'm just going off of this image, and the probability is 1 in 88. So I'm not sure how that's broken down. I think that's like out of 88 miners, there's that one chance that you could get it. And the bronze M is £20.34, and your potential block reward is still the same at 141.45. But your probability has gone up a huge amount. You have a 1 in 9 chance. And then bronze L is going to be your very high end package for like the bronze level, and that's £81, and that or 0.004 BTC. And your block reward is still going to be the same at 141, but your probability is a 1 in 3 chance, so that's a lot better of odds. So you're pretty much paying for the probability difference because the block reward stays the same, obviously, no matter what. So it's just the probability, as you see, that goes up and makes a better chance for you to get the block. So you pay more money, you have a better chance at getting a block, obviously. But as you see here, bronze packages are now available on our easy mining, our latest solo mining concept. So easy mining, you have to log into your account if you have NiceHash. If not, just sign up and you can get started, where anyone can try mining cryptocurrency and get a block reward if you validate a block of transactions while your package is running. So even though these odds are low, like 1 in 88, you could still have that possibility of it happening for £2 or $2, or depending on your currency. That's not a bad shot in the dark because you could come out with a high profit of $141 or more or less depending on your currency. But with our easy mining, you buy a package inside your dashboard. So on the NiceHash dashboard is where you go and purchase these packages. And the Bitcoin you pay goes straight to the miners, providing you with the Hashpower for your package. Your package uses this Hashpower to try to mine a block of cryptocurrency. And if it does, you get the whole reward. So that money that you're paying is going to the miner that is supplying this Hashpower. So they're making a lot more money than they would just normally running solo mining, or if they were just mining on a pool. They're making more money this way because let's say you have like 10 people that buy even this first level package, there's a little chunk of money for that person supplying this power, instead of, you know, hoping that themselves they get a solo block and all this. There's a lot that goes into it, but it's just better for everyone overall because then you don't have to run equipment yourself, and the person that is supplying it gets paid out with that amount right there, depending on like the probability in the package, of course. So this one for the bronze package is ZCash. Our latest bronze package are mining ZCash or ZEC, a popular cryptocurrency that uses ZK's Snark zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes of the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. You can read all about easy mining with NiceHash, how it works in more detail on other articles here, or you can click get a solo mining package and you'll just sign into the NiceHash account. If you need to sign up, you can just sign up on nicehash.com here. But I figured just to share this because it's a very cool concept in my opinion. And whenever I read news and things like that, I just find it interesting, and I figure it's going to be good information for the masses to know. So that's why I always figured to make videos, these type of videos as well. Obviously, I'm going to be switching back to tutorials soon enough once I move back out and once things are sorted in my life a little more. But right now, I'm just kind of sticking to the news and bringing you guys useful information. Considering the market's down and things like that, I'm trying to help you guys, you know, profit the best out of this situation. But yeah, that's pretty well all I got for you guys today. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it lets me know you guys are enjoying it. You know, this is bringing useful information to you. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you all have an amazing day. And this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.